Hey, welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to go over all the tools that you need to create beautiful latte art. The first thing that you're going to need is a steam wand rag. Now, this rag is important because it cleans the steam wand. A dirty steam wand is one of the most disgusting things you can have. If I go into a coffee shop and I see that their steam wand is dirty, I'm typically walking out because that steam wand is going into the milk that's going into my drink. So you always want to maintain a clean steam wand, and to do that we have a dedicated rag just for the steam wand. This is a microfiber rag which wicks some of the moisture, but it is a great rag. You can get these dirt cheap at Walmart or Target or like the Dollar General, wherever you shop. Amazon, you can buy like a big pack of them. A great place to buy them is also car stores, so auto parts and things like that. They carry these microfiber rags. So, but yeah, any rag will do. A microfiber rag, a normal rag, but just make sure you have a dedicated rag to clean your steam wand. The next thing we need is something to pour and steam the milk in. And to do that, we have a steaming pitcher. This one is Rattleware. I like Rattleware, but there's a lot of good companies out there. Espresso Parts makes a great one. What you're looking for is something with a nice spout, so you can get that precision pour when you're pouring the milk. Next thing you're gonna need is your vessels to pour into. Now, it really doesn't matter what you have. Here are just 3 different types. We have a latte, cappuccino, and a cortado. You know, really it's just about preference and what you want, you know, what type of drink you want and what drink you want to pour into. My personal favorite is either the cortado or the cappuccino. And for this video, we're most likely going to be doing mostly cappuccinos. So yeah, over this course, you're going to see a lot of designs in the cappuccino. We'll probably do some in latte and cortado as well, just to give some variation. But really, it's just about personal preference there. The next thing you need is milk. We use here a company called Working Cows Dairy, and they are a non-homogenized, low-temp pasteurization milk. They are local. They have that cream top, which is really fantastic. But really, this is really nice milk. It makes for a great drink. But you know, if you go to your local grocery store, you can find something just as good. It just really just having high quality milk is what it's all about. We prefer steaming with whole milk. It just has that perfect fat ratio to create that nice microfoam to create the latte art. But really anything will work, 2%, even skim or alternatives, almond, soy, coconut, you name it. And the next thing you're gonna need is coffee. You know, it's kind of hard to create latte art without, you know, some coffee to pour it into. And an espresso machine, whether that's a home espresso machine. Here we're using a La Marzocco GB5 with, it's a dual boiler, which means you can steam milk and pull shots at the same time, which is great. But there's a lot of home espresso machines you can use. You can use the, you know, Breville makes one that's a dual boiler that's fairly cheap, or, you know, there's lots out there. You can do the research and figure out what's best for you and what's within your budget. Those are just some of the tools you need. You can go all out and spend a ton of money if you want, or you can go very budget and, you know, and create beautiful latte art on a budget. But yeah, those are the tools you're gonna need for this course to practice.